So I'm going to Whitehead Junior tab. Okay. Now I'm going to click on the activity. Okay. So when it start recording, then the dashed line will become in white color. Okay. Okay. Now here, do you remember this one? Do you know this environment before? No, you are seeing this for the first time, right? Yeah. So here, Amrita, we are going to create an application, right? So this environment will help you to create an application. Okay. Where can you see there is a mobile screen? So this mobile screen is called as the mobile simulator. This will show you how exactly when you are going to run your application in your mobile phone. Okay. It will preview the application. Okay. Yeah. So now here, if you want to record or else if you want to do coding, code the application means, or if you want to create any application, you should follow 3 steps. Okay. What are the steps means? First, define the purpose. Why you are creating that particular application? What is the need? Okay. What is the application will do? That is the first step. Okay. So what is our application? It is an age calculator which calculates the user's age in hours. Yeah. Now what is the second step means? It is designing. Okay. Let me explain you the design. Here can you see there is a design option? So I'm just clicking on the design option. Here you can use all these components. Can you see there is a button? Now there is a text input. There is a label drop down. All these are called components. Okay. So just a minute before that.